Hi, happy fall everyone. This is Chris Wilson with Compass Real Estate. Welcome to my newest luxury listing at 230 Longbow Lane, Adams Township, beautiful Indian Meadows neighborhood. Let's go take a peek at this beautiful house. Your backyard oasis awaits you. The newly added heated in-ground pool has an auto cover. Patio for guests, also hot tub. And don't forget the fire pit, all surrounded by fencing and beautiful background of trees.